Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mr. Renee to you. With today's video, we're going to actually show you guys how to remove the Honda emblems that came with this 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport Touring. There's a few things we're going to need. We're going to need to get some dental floss. So if you have any dental floss in the house, get it. If you do not have dental floss, use fishing line or fishing wire off a fishing rod in the garage. If you don't have any fishing equipment, dental floss. You're also going to need some sort of plastic panel popper or pry bar. Not a pry bar, but like a removal tool. And so just to give you an example, I have one here. This is plastic, really thin. This can get in and out, and it's very soft plastic. It's not abrasive, it's flexible. It shouldn't leave a mark on anything so long as you're very careful and know what you're doing. So make sure that when you guys are actually doing this, you do it the right way. For the record, for the rear of the vehicle, you will not need to pry off anything. Everything on the back of this vehicle comes off with dental floss and fishing line. It is important to not use these on the back because that's a painted surface. And the hatchback, from what I get from Honda, is the hatchback is actually made out of a resin. So it could be like fiberglass. It might feel strong, but the last thing you want to do is put something like this and start prying, and you have a dent, a little mark on your paint job on that trunk lid. So again, I'm going to warn you guys, do not use these at all when it comes to prying off anything off the back of your car. If you have a 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport Touring, or for that matter, a hatchback. You will need to pry and use some of these for the front. Now let me show you what I used. Now, for the front of the car, you're definitely gonna need to pry. Okay, unless you wanna go ahead and follow the instructions that come on the box when you order it, you have to go to honda.com, their website or something, and they give you like instructions. Basically, you have to remove the bumper, take 2 bolts out to remove the front H symbol. And I am not about to do all that on this car because it's brand new. Now, I'm qualified to do it, but I don't feel like spending an hour and some change taking this bumper off because it's brand new. We're going to just leave it alone. But this is the one that I used to pull on it. So as you can see, it's just a little different. Now if you wanted to pick one of these up, you can go get one right there. Oh, sorry. You can go get one right there. Order yourself some of these if you're a hands-on guy like me. What you're gonna do for the front is you're gonna pry off just ever so carefully the front of that H. Just lift it up a little bit, and you're gonna stick this, and you're gonna stick this piece. Just lift it off a little. Then you're gonna stick this piece to kind of grab and pull it away. Just enough for you to get your hands on it. Then you're not gonna use this anymore. Use your hands and gently pull and either snap off or break away the H symbol that's on there with bolts, or you can go ahead and just, yeah, that's what you're gonna have to do, is pry off and slowly break off those tabs. Now, if you guys like these kind of videos and want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys subscribe and like my content. Feel free to go leave some comments down there because I respond to everybody. If you guys want to see a link as to where I actually got the badges from, I'll leave that in my video description so you guys can go ahead and get that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin the installation. Okay guys, you're gonna need some dental floss. Put on some gloves. So once you get it behind like a C like this with this dental floss, you're just gonna floss. And you're gonna floss right that. Nice and easy. And if it breaks, it breaks. You get another one. That's uno. My dental floss is so cheesy. Okay guys, I switched up and got some fishing wire, much more stronger. My dental floss wasn't strong enough to take it off, so let's go ahead and use some of this, which is what I should have used from the beginning, but let's see what we can do here. Like butter. There we go. So there you have it. That's as easy as it is. You take this off. I'm surprised it came off pretty nice. It's a cold day. Typically I would have applied a little heat to this to make this a little softer, but the cold actually helped me. I think it helped. So this will be real easy to take off at this point. All we're gonna do is just get some adhesive remover, get some goof off or something like that. Some people use WD-40. I wouldn't use WD-40 because it's too oily, but some of that goof off will just soften this right up. You'll be able to take this off no problem, and that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so now we're just gonna apply some of this stuff right here. I've had this stuff forever. It works like a champ. Shake it up and we'll use it again. Might be running out. Oopsies. Make sure you coat it all nice and good, like a wet, let it work on it, and then you start just removing it right there. So much better already. Wow, look at that. Just, I can already envision it. I like it better without the Civic name. In my opinion, this is such a sexy rear end on this car. It looks a little European, so if you don't put that Civic name, maybe some people will guess, but we have no choice but to replace the H, so let's do that next. And here comes the ice cream truck. Cold as hell. And my guy is out here. Not sure if I'd get a big fish with this stuff. A big fish will snap this stuff, man. This is like... As my ice cream man makes a cameo in my video. I should get some ice cream. Oh, hey, how are you? personally, I should fill this in, no badge, to be honest with you, so nobody knows what kind of car it is. I would totally do that. That would look pretty nice. Look, cover that right there. If this is all white, this car will look way better, but I'll put it on. Lightly and then dry cloth. There you go. Okay, so we took off the word sport just as easy. Let's do this one. Wow, this fishing string is not that good. So I'm just gonna kind of like keep doing that. Wow, that's annoying. Okay, let's try. Let's go back to dental floss. Now we just got to clean that off. Okay, so now let's put on the new H. I actually ordered this. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so if you guys want to black out a 2002 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport Touring or debadge it, you need that H. I bought the set. It was on sale directly from Honda. That's the part number right there, guys. But let me show you now what's going on inside this box. Comes just like this. Take one of these. I believe this is the front. Let me see. Yeah, this one's the front. The front is orange. It's got an orange tint inside. It comes with that. This is the rear badge. It also came with the sport. It also came with the sport emblem, which I'm not going to use. I'm just going to put the H on it. So let's open it. There you go. So the back of it, oh, this is the one in the front, my bad. So this is the front badge. Let's get the rear badge. So it came with these alcohol wipes, so you can wipe it down. Then you can go ahead and stick on your H where it goes. You'll have a nice clean surface to work with. So here's the new H. Here's the H for the rear. Comes just like that. Looks like it has adhesive on it already. So we'll just peel this and stick it on. But first, let's use that OEM alcohol pad. It's getting kind of dark, so I'm racing against time. While I'm at it, I'm gonna just wipe the rest of the stuff down where I worked before. I'm also gonna get this side. So now we're gonna go ahead and wipe this with a clean cloth, and then I'm gonna just stick this on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off, and we're gonna put that right there. And there you have it. Now let's clean this off and see what it looks like. Well, and this is what it looks like to have a 2022 Honda Civic Sport Touring with the blacked out H debadged. I like it. I love it. And I absolutely love it. Way better. Gives it more of a clean look, in my opinion. Well, there we go. Now, if you guys like this kind of content, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell. That way, when I drop a new video, you guys will be the first ones to get notified, and you can stay on top and follow me along this journey. Because this is the beginning. we have way more content on the way about this car, and you can come and watch the show. I appreciate it. Also, feel free to comment. Don't be scared. Leave a comment down below this video. If you have any questions, I'm going to do my best to answer them.